friends. Good morning to all my friends. In my previous class, I explained the tenses which are mainly divided into three parts: present tense, past tense, future tense. In this class, how the present tense has been divided into four parts. Each tense has been divided into four parts. Total 3 into 4, 12 tenses. Now I am going to explain the present tense. Present tense has been divided into four parts: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Here, simple present tense is there. In simple present tense, structure is subject to plus either V1 or V5. Remain all the subjects V1 will come. Third person single number V5 will come. Third person single number means he, she, it and single names. Wherever third person will be come up in simple present tense, V5 will be come up. Means in verb adds with yes or es. Okay. Examples in these examples, I go to school every day. Subject to plus V1. The sun rises in the east. The sun is third person rises V5. So subject to plus V1, subject to plus V5 is called simple present tense. In simple present tense, we are using habitual actions, general truths and regular work. Habitual actions, daily life and universal truths. These examples will be come under the simple present tense. Now we are going to take present to continuous. Present to continuous structure is subject to plus either am or is or are plus V4. V4 means in form. The main verb adds with in form. So it's called V4. Without V4, without continuous. Whenever V4 will come, definitely it must be in the continuous, except general class. For I, am will come. For singular, is will come. For plural, are will come. In present continuous means the work has been started in the past and it continues now present. Those type of actions will be come into the present continuous. The work has been started, it's going on. It's a limited period and limited time. For that actions we will take present continuous. I am going to school. He is doing the work. They are learning English. I plus am. Subject to plus are. He plus is. Singular plus is. They plural. Are will come. So the structure are like this. Structures. Helping verbs are is, are and V4 will come. This is the structures and examples of the present continuous. Hi friends, this is the third episode of tenses. In previous class, I completed present simple and present continuous. Now in this session, I am going to complete the remaining tenses are present perfect and present perfect continuous. Now we are going to come present perfect. Present perfect structure is subject to plus have or has plus V3. For all the persons except third person, have will come. Only third person, for third person, has will come. Other than the third person, have will come. With third person, has will come. Along with have and has plus V3 will come. Without V3, without perfect. Without V4, without continuous. This is the rule for tenses. Actually, we are using the sentences for present perfect. Only completed actions and just completed actions. Just completed actions we have been taken up into the present perfect. I have completed the work just now. It has completed just now. She has sent the letters. She sent the letters just now. Just she sent the letters and she sits or stand in her house. So total completed actions will be taken to this present perfect, and the structure is subject to plus have or has plus with. This is the present perfect and completed actions, just completed actions. Now coming to present perfect continuous. This is the last one to the present tense. It is the long structure. It has the structure is subject to plus have been or has been for plus V4. Without V4, without continuous. whether it is present continuous or present perfect continuous or any other continuous. If the sentence possesses before, it will be treated as continuous. That is the rule. So in present perfect continuous, the actions are starting from long time or last week or last years, and it's going on. Now it's going on. That type of actions have been taken to this present perfect continuous. We have been living in Hyderabad since 2012. They set in the 2012 and still it is continuing. Still it is continuing. Action has been started in the past and it's continuing now. Those sentences have been come into this present perfect continuous. Raju has been working there for 10 months. From 10 months they are working in same office, either office or any other place. So Raju is third person has been come. We is first person plural have been come. Like this, structures of them present total present perfect and present perfect continuous have been completed in this session. Total present tense has been completed successfully. Thank you.